He who can do this has the whole world with him. Principle 3, arouse in the other person an eager want. It's normally nice and delightful to do something when we want to do it, but people don't always want to do what's expected of them. The only way to influence others is to discuss their desires and show them how to obtain them. Recognizing the other person's wants, hopes, and desires, what inspires them, is essential. To understand a person's desire, we must put ourselves in their shoes and see things from their perspective. This does not imply manipulating someone to do something solely for your benefit and their detriment. The negotiation should benefit both parties. We should combine our desire with their desires so that they are eager to work with us and we can both achieve our goals. One of the guiding principles is not to meet people where you want them, but instead to meet them where they are. From How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. Part 1, Fundamental Techniques in Handling People. Subscribe, like, follow for more.